Hi everyone, this is Sai Kiran. I have written an agent which will get the WhatsApp messages and mail it to my Gmail ID. So we will try with two different prompts to this agent. One is get 10 WhatsApp messages from one of the chats and mail them to Gmail ID. And another one is get 10 messages from one chat and from these chat get top 5 lengthy messages. So like out of this 10 top 5 lengthy messages only I want. So like how will the agent behave when we give these two different prompts? What are the logs it will give? We'll check those things. So let me first give I think server is on. I think server is done. So I will give this prompt first. So I'll copy this and then I will go here. I will give here the Chrome extension is this one, so I give process this one. So now I have to log into this WhatsApp because WhatsApp messages I want to access, so it will ask for linking my device, so I will link it. So it is logging in now. So it will log in. So if you see the LLM logs that are there, first we have given this prompt, get 10 WhatsApp messages from the one chat and mail them to my Gmail ID. So the first function that LLM called is read WhatsApp messages wrapper. These are the parameters, 10 messages from one chat. So that's the thing. So it is trying to read the QR code, all those things it is trying. So meanwhile we will check the code. If you see the code, what I have done is here this is the loop, maximum iterations it will go is 4. So because we have two different prompts, one prompt will go where maximum iteration of 3, another prompt will go for 4 because it has like lengthy messages also it has to calculate, right? So because of which it will go up to 4. So that's why it's set it as 4. And one more thing that I have, one more change that I have done is, so this function info, like if you see here, this will function call will come, after that function name will come, then parameters will come, right? So like what I have done is I have taken a list, I have a list I have taken, I set it as null, and then each one after this I am adding into this, appending into this list. So that's what if you see this print I am doing here, right? What I got here is this one, function name I got. These are all strings. This is the first parameter, this is the second parameter. Like this I will get, and entire thing will be in a single list. So now after that I will call this function caller, I will call and I will pass this list to this function caller. So output I will get an iteration result. So if you see this function caller has these many functions, so like function map and all will be there. So this param 0, first parameter of the list is the function name. So that's why function map, function name I am calling. Parameters 1 to whatever maybe end of whatever is the end of that, those many are the parameters of this particular function. So this what is the advantage of this is, see if you see here create message wrapper, this is having 4 parameters. So like I can use like 4 parameters for this. If you see this read WhatsApp message, this is having only 2 parameters. So like I can just use 2 parameters here, like this is also having 2 parameters, this is having 3 parameters, like so like what are maybe the parameters, so that is taken care by the function. Once you call the function, inside that how many parameters, that many times we will call it, we will these numbers will give 0 1 2 or 0 1 2 3 4, like that we will give, keep on giving. So here you don't have to worry, this function will be same for all these things, all these whatever maybe the functions here are there. For the all this function map, it is the same, this is the only called. So depending on the wrapper, these will be called. So that's about this. So now if you see here, I think it is reading the chat. So once it has read, this is the prompt we are given, so it is reading. So it will get a mail here. So I think we have got a lot of mails here. So I will delete these things. So delete. Let's wait for the mail to come. So I have set like a Gmail APIs have given the permission to access me. So if you see here, so I think it has done now. It has sent the mail. It has mail has come. If you see here, 10 messages it has read from that chat. So this is about this. Now we will give, I told you that we will check this agent with 2 different prompts. Now we'll give 10 WhatsApp messages from one chat. From this chat, get 5 lengthy messages only and mail them to my Gmail ID. So this prompt I will copy and I will paste it in the Chrome extension. Let's process the query. So it is reading now. It has processed. Iteration 2 it has come. So like I think it has mailed also. So if I check my Gmail, if I refresh, I should get the message. So if now it will be only 5 messages will be there, like so 1 2 3 4 5. So that's the thing. So like now let's check the logs that has come. So like first this one, get 10 WhatsApp messages from one chat, and from this chat get the 5 lengthy messages. So whatever is the path that LLM agent has taken. So like first read WhatsApp messages, wrapper it has gone. These were the parameters 10 and 1. So that was the first iteration. Next iteration it has write top messages to a string wrapper. So like these were this is the message that was there, and this is the second parameter, 5 top messages, lengthy messages I want. So this was the thing. Now next third iteration was, this is the mailing one. This is the email ID you want to mail. So receiving email ID, what is the subject of the email and what is the body of the mail. So this is the message that we are doing. So this message is sent, LLM response, final answer, message sent, relevant execution over. So iteration, 4 iterations took in this case. So if you see the other case, it will take only 3 iterations because one task was less. So lengthy message it was not supposed to find. So if you see this, get 10 WhatsApp messages from one chat and mail them to Gmail ID. So that was the only task that was given to this agent. So first iteration it has called read WhatsApp messages. So this is with 10 and 1. Next iteration it has just directly called the mailing function. So mail ID, receiving mail ID, subject, and then this body of the function. So in 3 iteration this is done. So final answer, message was sent. So that's about this. So this is the logs for these 2 different prompts. So for the bigger prompt, more functions were called, it was 4 iterations, and for the smaller one, when lesser number of functions were called, it was 3 iterations. So that's about this. Thank you very much.